This is yet another Pyraminx walkthrough solve where I start off with a 529. Not a real great time, but let's see if I can remember what I did here. So what I did was red, because I can match that up and that would position it, so I can solve that as well. Work on some tips for a little bit, solve that edge, and then insert the yellow, then come over here and do an edge flip. That's what I did, so I locked up kind of bad, but no matter. 529. This one was 458, and that is because I did red again. And this one is a little bit more interesting. I saw when I solved red in 2 moves that these 2 edges would be solved but flipped, like that. And I knew that would just leave me with a last layer case on top, and I could just look at it real quick and know that it's going to be just a pure cycle. So what I do is solve these tips like that. I could have canceled a move by turning it down like that, but I just solved it like that and then did an edge flip and solved this tip while doing that. It's very important on Pyraminx, at least for me, to work on solving your tips while doing turns on that center. It'll save time. So then I solved these while solving the tip, and then put it down, boom, 458. So this one, this was 442, and let's see. So I did blue here because I can just solve these 2 tips while solving this edge here. Turn it down like that. Now looking ahead to last layer, there's not really much I can do. I suppose I could have done something like that to solve this edge, but that's kind of weird to rotate before I solve this. So all I did was just solve that and then come over here and solve this last one, and then I'll look like that. 442. So that's about it, because that was all the solves, and the scrambles from QQ Timer where I generated these to stack mat them are in the description. Goodbye.